Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So last week you guys didn't get a plan with me because some of the footage was not on my camera, and I was like, what's the point in putting it up if it's a big portion of the decorating process was not on film. So this is what my spread looked like last week after the pen. Actually, let me lower this light so you guys can get a better look at it. So this is what it looked like. I went with obviously fall vibes, but I also was inspired by like the fall drinks and stuff. And the stickers that have the fall drinks are from Pear Tea Paper Co., I believe. And then of course I have a Gold Mine and Cocoa sticker doll there. So this week is the last week I'm gonna do like a fall theme in my planner. So I'm gonna be planning for the week of November 23rd through the 29th. And I have already pulled stickers from several sticker books, a lot of my seasonal sticker books. So I have this seasonal one here. I think this is for like teachers maybe. Obviously the fall 2020 sticker book. This one here that I picked up from Tuesday morning, this is like a OG seasonal sticker book from the Happy Planner. I pulled from this book as well. And I'm pulling from Squad Goals, the fall section out of there. So this is what I have pulled so far. I wanted to go heavy on the fall themes with leaves and stuff like that. So that's what we have going on. And I'm gonna go ahead and start to figure out how I want to do this. Okay, so I had to find my correction tape because that's important. And I got my Squat Life sticker book because it has some really great fall stickers in this one as well that I can use for this. So I want to get my big stickers out of the way. So I'm gonna white out this section again like I did last week because I want to be able to utilize this space over here. All right guys, so you will probably hear my fan in the background. I'm sorry about that, but it's hot up in here and I'm not trying to be uncomfortable while I'm doing my planning. So yeah, so let's get to it. So I want to do probably a longer sticker. I'm gonna get my big stuff out of the way. So let's do a little white out on there. All right, let me look through this Squad Life and see what we got going on. Let's see what this sticker looks like on here that says all the things. This will be my running list of stuff I have to do. I'm gonna layer these leaves behind a text box just to have them kind of popping out. Layer this text box over it. And I have this page flipped to in the Squad Goals sticker book because it has a lot of like you know, bullets down here for functional stuff. Make sure this is straight. I'm gonna do another one like that. I'm liking how that's looking. All right, I'm gonna go back into, I think it's this one that has that really nice page of, yeah, I really like this page here. This is in the seasonal sticker book. This is like our super old one that I picked up from Tuesday morning. I'm gonna add more of these kinds of stickers on there because I think they look really good. I'm gonna put this on there. The sticker that says I love the weekend. Let's see if it looks good on here. Gonna kind of have stuff revolving around this give thanks. See how that looks. So I'm gonna cut off the errands part and probably put something above it that says like today or something. So okay, so let me look for like a today sticker. Put that there. It says to do. And I'm gonna open this up here. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to put these flag stickers on here to kind of fill it in. All right, guys, so here's the final look of my spread for Thanksgiving week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So next week, I'm going to be starting my Christmas spreads and everything. And I'm actually going to be collaborating with some of my wig guru friends. So this video is actually, Plan With Me is actually going to be on my beauty channel next week. So you can follow me on the Hearts and Cake 90 if you want to see what my spread is going to look like next week. And then the week after that, we're going to resume on this channel. I just wanted to show my audience on that channel what my planning is about and everything, because I haven't posted anything planning related on that page in a while. And I want to convert some of those people over to this channel so we can keep growing the family and everything like that. So it's going to be a good collab. I'm collaborating with 2 of my friends over there. So definitely tune in to the Hearts and Cake 90 next week for the Christmas spread. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Follow me on HeartsAndAPlan, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.